Leadership and management are complementary, not opposites. Most real-world roles need both. Knowing the difference helps you spend your time on the right activities. Management focuses on planning, budgeting, and scheduling, organizing resources and structures, controlling, measuring, and reporting, solving day-to-day operational problems. Leadership focuses on setting direction and vision, aligning and motivating people, driving change and improvement, developing future leaders. The practical mix. A team lead might spend a Monday morning checking timesheets, management, and the same afternoon coaching a struggling team member through a career conversation. Leadership. Senior roles tilt more toward leadership, first-line roles tilt more toward management, but both are always present. Common trap. Promoted experts often keep doing the work instead of leading it. The shift from individual contributor to leader requires letting go of being the best technical person in the room. Try this. List 5 tasks you did last week. For each one, mark L, leadership, M, management, or D, delivery, doing. What's the balance? Is it right for your role?